Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This video I will going to explain you how to manage your daily, weekly, monthly income and expense account. I will going to explain you a very simple way. So watch the video carefully, then start to manage your own account. In your mobile, go to Play Store, search for Money Manager, download Money Manager, Expense and Budget. After installation, just click to open. The main window, you can see the major 4 menus at the bottom of the window. Transaction, status, accounts, settings. Important thing, first change the settings as per your own use. Just go to settings, go to configuration, change main currency settings. Change currency to INR. You can use Indian currency. Accept by yes, again yes. Change subcategory on. You can add income and expense category as you like. Click category settings. Add new for category. Also, you add subcategory too. For adding subcategory by pressing plus button. Same way, add expense category. You can set your weekly, monthly or yearly budget using budget settings. Automatically add your income or expense every weekly or monthly, or as you can like using repeat settings. So choose repeat settings for your own use. Now can done your settings. Go back your transaction page to add your daily income or expense. You can also view by daily view, calendar view, weekly and monthly view. Also check out the total. Here I add some examples. In calendar view, weekly view, blue color indicates income and red color expense. If you want to change the color using settings. Monthly view. Status. In status graph view. You can see your data by weekly, monthly, annually, or choose by certain period. Status by overall graph view. That's all guys. I hope this video will very useful for you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share your friends. If you have any question and suggestion, don't forget to write down the comment box. Thank you.